And I went to naka. I got a bento box. These shoes are about to go and take a walk to naka. We made it. Social distancing, that is where that food goes. And it is here, the naka bento box. Naka, as some of you may know, is featured on Chef's Table on Netflix, as well as Food & Wine's Top Restaurants in the World 2019. So check out this bento box, $38 plus tax and tip, still under $50. Some sushi from one of the best places in the world. Inside this bag, we have the bento box, chopsticks and soy sauce, as well as sushi. Let's open up our bento. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, so on top we have everything that's in it, as well as the corresponding deliciousness. We've got the rice. That's looking like the cakes. Ooh. Oh, so good. So good. A closer look at the menu and the contents before we jump into tasting. This is the sweet potato, and it is ridiculous. It is so, so good. I've also tried the potato salad and the cucumber seaweed salad, which were good. You know, the potato salad was very creamy and cucumber seaweed salad was very crunchy, but you know, not blowing me away. But this, ooh, really good. As well as some of the sushi, excellent. Here, ooh, in the sashimi salad is really, really good. It almost has like a smoky kind of a taste to it. Turning on the light so you can see a little bit more of the desserts. There was a delicious little orange peel. And then the umeshu jelly with the matcha white chocolate cake. Okay. See, inside the jelly looks like there is a blueberry. Let's try that guy. Ooh. Creamy. Really smooth. A nice little bite, not too sweet. Still a lot of rice. I don't think I'm gonna get to all the rice. Cake is really good. It's very dense. It's very sweet. And it's like a nice little bite. Overall, I think I have destroyed this bento box. Boom. It's small. It's definitely like a lunch portion. And I'm a small person, so this is enough for me, but I feel like if I was like a big dude, I'd be still pretty hungry. But it was nice. I think I went in with really high expectations because it is naka, and it was fine, but it didn't blow me away. Let me know what you think.